Now today was a red day in the market and I tried scalping some puts to the downside, but I basically ended the day break even, which is never really a bad thing. Now I've officially reset my account and I've added more funds for 2023, and I'll be explaining that more towards the end of the video, but for now, enjoy the live trade video. I'm gonna get short on SPY here. I'm anticipating this break. Nah, there's buyers stepping up, man. I know I have to get out of that, man. That was not the greatest entry. I went for it again. It was a bit of a chase. We got the breakdown. I should have stayed in my previous ones. Oh, big move down. SPY is really pushing. Wow, that was an aggressive move to the downside. We're up a little bit in these contracts. Okay, I sold for a quick scalp. So now to break down these trades. Here again, we have SPY again on the 2-minute chart. And you'll notice straight off the open, we broke the pre-market lows and had a pretty strong move downwards. And like I always say, I never want to chase the weakness with puts. I always want to wait for a slight pullback, such as this flag pattern right here. So we had the move down, the pullback, and then we started to round over. And it was right around here. I anticipated the low at daybreak, and I went short, but we did not get that move right away. And when we got a slight bounce upward, I got shaken out of the trade and I sold right around here for a really small loss. But then once we started approaching the low a day again, I went short again, and we finally broke through the low a day and got a nice move to the downside, and I just took quick profits. Now, what I should have done, and this is something I really want to get better at in 2023, and that is setting better mental stop losses and respecting them. Now, when trading a bear flag, you typically should place your stop loss right around the previous swing high, which in this case is the tip of this candle right here. So when I went short right here, I should have told myself I'm only going to sell if we get above this line here. Because if we were to move up past this swing high and the VWAP and the 9 EMA, this bear flag to me becomes invalid and it is no longer worth holding puts for, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's probably one of my weaknesses as a trader, is holding a trade that does not immediately go my way. It's very hard psychologically to watch the stock bounce back and forth because you obviously want it to go your way, but you have to be comfortable in the trade if it hasn't hit your stop yet. So anyway, not the best execution today, but it was also not a bad day because we were basically break even. And if you go and take a look at the account, now don't get too excited. I did not make this much money because you remember last week my account was at 90. I still ended the day at 90. And then I decided, all right, it's almost 2023. I want to size up a little bit because I just don't think it's practical anymore to trade a $90 or $100 account because the cheap contracts really hardly move at all and they have very high theta, which is not great. And I really think I would trade better with a little bit more capital and buying power. So this is the account I will be using for 2023. And like I said recently, I will definitely be uploading more than one video per week for this upcoming year. I want to do almost daily recap videos so you guys can follow my journey. That's the whole point of this channel, is to document my journey trading the markets. So yeah, that's my plan for 2023. I'm not really going to start trading this money yet because it hasn't all settled. It takes like, I don't know, 3 to 4 or 5 business days to completely settle so I can use it for trading options. But yeah, in just a few days it will be ready to go. So yeah, for sure be on the lookout for more content coming up this year. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really excited for this upcoming year because I really just want to keep grinding, keep growing as a trader, and getting better every day. And I want to prove to myself that it is possible to grow a small account. With that being said, please consider subscribing and feel free to follow me on this journey, trading the markets. And I encourage you to set your own goals for 2023 because it's going to be a great year. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.